Mumbai's, well, that was a affordable market, but there's also Mumbai's luxury housing segment, which has climbed the ranks to being the 16th most expensive from 36th last year. So in 1 year, imagine 20 rankings more, which means that much more expensive. This is a global survey conducted by realty consultant Knight Frank. Arjun Chaudhary finds out whether there are buyers still willing to bite into the luxury price or luxury pie, even with prices rocketing sky high.
Off the Western Express Highway, located at Malad, is Omkar Altamont, a place where your dreams of a luxurious life meets reality.
Driven by new offerings, the project caters to Mumbai's changing lifestyle, making the city a platform for luxury homes.
This gets further reflected in a recent report by realty consultants Knight Frank, which ranks Mumbai as the 16th most expensive city in the luxury housing segment.
In 2011, the ranking of Mumbai was 36th, and now it is 16th, because Mumbai could actually keep the price more or less at the same level. But relative to other international cities, we have seen Mumbai much stable.
In the last 1 year, Mumbai has seen a steady supply of such projects, which point to a healthy demand of luxury homes in the financial capital. Over 2,500 units were launched across Mumbai in 2012, catering to the luxury segment. Some of the projects in this segment include Venezia by the Lodha Group, Altamont by Omkar Realtors, Orchid Crown by DB Realty, and Crescent Bay by the L&T Group. This segment can be broken down into two categories, depending on the project location. While projects at Rs 57,000 per square foot can be classified as luxury projects in South Mumbai, the ones in Central Mumbai are within the range of Rs 35,000 to 40,000 per square foot. While launches haven't slowed down, the price appreciation of luxury projects has been a mere 0.5% in South Mumbai and a modest 4% in Central Mumbai. Given the number of projects launched every year, it may get difficult to seek attention from potential buyers. Developers claim the job of developers is to create a product which has clear differentiators to attract the buyer's attention.
All projects are not getting the same kind of response because the customer has become very choosy. For him, the quality of the contractor, the design, the amenities, the location, the access to the location, the stage of permissions, the stage of the particular project. If all these factors, it's like ticking the boxes.
Experts too foresee a cautious sentiment amongst investors, keeping in view the lack of actual transactions within this segment.
Inquiries have increased, but till now transactions really are still at a slow pace. That means there is some sort of I would say cautious optimism still in the minds of the high-end investors. And mind it, the high-end investors, they operate in extremes.
While the number of enquiries for luxury homes went up by a good 60% last year, it'll take some time before these get converted into real transactions. In Mumbai, Arjun Chaudhary for NDTV Profit.
Alright, that's Mumbai, but there's another market which has become fairly expensive because it's done so well over the last 2 years. That's closer to home, NCR, Dwarka Expressway.